Alright, so fry tank's all set up now. I think it actually looks pretty good after all the scrubbing I've done today. The sponge filter. I'm gonna, hopefully, this tank actually didn't come, it's an Echo 1 tank, so it's one of those all-in-one jobbies with the top filtration, but the thing apparently broke. So what I'm gonna hopefully do is I'm gonna pick up one of those, so when the fry get a bit bigger, I'm gonna turn that on. Much better filtration than an internal, I think. So this is a 90 litre tank.